Welcome students. Today in the chapter of sequence and series we are going to discuss a very interesting and important term which is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is written as AP. This is abbreviation AP for arithmetic progression. So let us start with introduction of arithmetic progression. What is an arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers either in increasing order or in decreasing order, and difference between two consecutive terms of the sequence is always constant. This is very important here. The difference between two consecutive terms of the sequence is constant. So let us make it clear with the help of an example. Suppose we are taking a sequence. Suppose numbers are 1, 4, 7, 10, 13 and so on. This is a sequence in increasing order, and most important is the difference between two consecutive terms is always 3. Difference between 1 and 4 is 3, difference between 4 and 7 is 3, difference between 7 and 10 is 3 and so on. Difference between 10 and 13 is 3. So this difference between two consecutive terms is always constant, and this difference is known as common difference, which is denoted by D. And here first term is 1. First term of an arithmetic progression is denoted by small a. First term is denoted by small a. Correct? So this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term, this is fifth term. So if first term is denoted by a, first term is denoted by a, similarly second term of this arithmetic progression is denoted by a2. 2 stands for second term. Similarly third term will be denoted by a3, fourth term will be denoted by a4 and so on. Correct? Sometimes these terms are denoted by T also. So this is T2, this is T3, this is T4 and so on. So first term is mostly A, or we can write A1 also. So that this will be in a pattern of A1, A2, A3, A4 or T1 also. Correct? But mostly we denote first term by A. Correct? How many terms are here? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. 5 terms are here in this arithmetic progression. Suppose we want to know the value of 10th term. Suppose you want to know 10th term. How much? How to get it? For finding a desired number of terms of an arithmetic progression, there is a formula which is known as formula for general term. Known as formula for general term. This formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? So if you want to find out 10th term, in place of n we have to write 10, a10, and we have to put the values of a, n and d, will get the answer. A in this particular case, a is means first term is 1. So this is 1 plus n minus 1. N is how much? 10, 10th term. So this is 10 minus 1 into d. D is common difference, which is 3 here. So this is 1 plus 9 into 3. This is 1 plus 27 is equal to 28. So in this particular case, 10th term will be how much? 28. Correct? So accordingly we can find out a10, a12, a30, a49, a50, anyone with the help of this formula, which is known as formula for general term of an AP. Now let us try to justify how we are getting this formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We can understand it very easily. So as we are discussing here, this is first term and second term is a plus common difference, means second term is a plus d. If we add d again, we will come to the third term. So a plus d means a plus 2d is third term. Similarly, fourth term is a plus 3d. We are adding 3 with this third term, we will get fourth term. Since d means common difference is constants, so if we continue adding d, we will get consecutively next terms. Okay, correct? So second term is a plus d, third term is a plus 2d, fourth term is a plus 3d, and so on. If you want to match the pattern for this first term, we can write a plus 0 into d. This is a. Correct. Now you see, a plus 3d can be written as a plus 4 minus 1 into d. 4 minus 1 is 3. So this can be written as a plus 4 minus 1 into d. Similarly, third term, which is a plus 2d, can be written as a plus 3 minus 1 into d. Second term, a plus d, can be written as a plus 2 minus 1 into d. So we will get 1 into d. And this first term, a, which is a plus 0d here, can be written as a plus 1 minus 1 into d. Now you observe the pattern of first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and so on. If you observe the pattern, you see a is common everywhere, d is common in every term, minus 1 is also common everywhere. The only difference is, for the first term this is 1, for the second term this is 2, for the third term this is 3, for the fourth term this is 4. So for the nth term, if you write nth term, so this nth term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. How we are writing this? By observing the pattern of terms of this arithmetic progression. We are writing this a here, this common difference d here, minus 1 in this bracket, and for fourth term we are writing 4, for third term we are writing 3. So similarly for nth term we are writing n. So we are getting formula for general term, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, which we are using here, and with the help of this general term formula we got the desired number of term a 10th term here. So this is the basic concept of general term of an arithmetic progression, and in the other videos to come we'll see some problems related to general term of arithmetic progression. So students, please remain in touch with my videos, and I hope that you are enjoying learning mathematics. So you are learning mathematics as a fun. So I hope you might have subscribed my channel. If not, please do it immediately, and please share these videos with your friends also, so that they could also get benefit of it. And if you have any doubt, any problem, any confusion, or even you want to give any suggestion, please write in the comment box. I will definitely reply. So please remain in touch with the videos. We have to see some very important questions in other videos to come. And if you are liking my videos, if you are understanding, if you are enjoying mathematics, please don't forget to give your likes. So thank you very much for watching this video. Wish you all the best.